You're listening to Mellow 94.7 FM.
Ubo ng anak, nakababahala, baka plema. Para dyan, Plemex for Kids ang pambato ko. Ang Plemex for Kids ay gawa sa lagundi. Tinutunaw at pinalalabas ang plema. Ginhawa para sa bata, peace of mind para kay mommy. Camille Prats Yambao po, nagfi-flex for Plemex. Ang batang lagundi, Plemex!
Vitex Segundo L is the generic name of Plemex for kids. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Mommies, agapan agad ang ubo at plemang nakabara. Pambatang lagundi, Plemex!
Kahit may edad na kami, masigla pa din.
Tuloy lang sa activities. On the go!
Dahil sa healthy lifestyle at tulong ng Artrisin.
Para sa mga active adults, may Artrisin. Ang Artrisin ay under-natured type 2 collagen at MSM. Kasama ng proper diet at exercise, maaaring makatulong ang Artrisin.
Let's go!
Make your move, baby.
Artrisin, get going! Mahalagang paalala, ang Artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Bumabagal ang galaw dahil sa joint pain at arthritis? Mag-Artrisin.
It's Coco Melon. Sing along live.
When you hear the beat, dance and move your feet.
Dance and sing along with JJ, Nina, Cody, and all their friends.
Coco Melon. It's the animal dance.
April 26th and 27th at the New Frontier Theater. It's Coco Melon. Sing along live. Jam with the fam and dance every chance you get in this new musical adventure. Book your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Presented by Wilbros Live.
This event is also brought to you by Mellow 94.7 BFM. Best friend. You are listening to Mellow 94.7 BFM. Your friend on the air.